Hey y'all, how's it going? Meek Mex here, and I want to show you what I made. This is a wine box. A friend of mine likes to make wine, and I'm going over to his house this week. So I thought he could make good use of it. Let's see here. See, I've dovetailed the corners and then just kind of glued all the boards together at the seams to make it tall enough to fit a nice sized bottle of wine. Came out pretty clean, I think. This is my first try using grooves and a kind of door like this, so that was a bit of a learning experience. But yeah, I used every single tool I have to make this. It's deceptively complex, so I had to cut out these channels on the maple and cut grooves on the poplar, and I used a Stanley 46 to cut the grooves. And yeah, you can tell because I have these spiral shavings and nice thin fluffy things from my 5.5, and of course a nice bottle of Portuguese wine as always. So yeah, I just used my shavings as bedding. Anyway, that's all. I thought it came out pretty nice and just wanted to share. See you next time.